Hello and welcome. I'm your Russian language coach Vita, and today let's practice writing the cursive Russian letter Z. The name of the letter is Z, but I will use the name of the sound Z. This is the uppercase letter Z. This is the lowercase letter Z. This is our transcription. Please watch carefully. The uppercase cursive letter Z. The lowercase cursive letter Z. Let's write both of them together. Now please take a piece of paper and try writing the cursive letter Z by yourself. Write in the comments if you enjoyed this video and feel free to share thoughts or questions. And also share this video with your friends who are learning Russian cursive. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye!